Hello and welcome to another nice 2K video, another unboxing for you today. So there for now. Sucker's in there tight. Nope. I manually do this so don't wreck anything. What do we got for you today? EGE BP12 bullpup. Let's open the sucker up. I've never heard of EGE, to be honest. Just saw this on the G4C website. It looked really cool and I wanted to get it. I think EGE is a Turkish company, I believe. And this is a bullpup shotgun. Alright, so we're just going to take all the components out real quick. User manual, box of chokes, and a choke tool. And I believe these are, 5-round magazines. BP12 is a 12 gauge semi-automatic bullpup style rifle. I'm just going to put all this down here for now. Huge. She's a heavy boy, heavy girl, whatever you choose. Alright. Wow, okay. So it's got, seems to have flip-up sights already installed and a foregrip installed. Look at that. If you want to see it. It's got an AR style top charging handle. Let's just clear it first real quick. Cleared. Holy cow. Oh my gosh. So it's got an 18.5-inch barrel. You can see the group is behind the actual trigger, which gives it a nice short length or profile, so to speak. It's got a cheek riser. I'm not sure if I'm actually gonna use that, but hey, here's your first look. This is crazy. Let's see how these mags fit in. Look at this. Holy cow. Okay, so it feels like, I guess the sights and the top rail here feel like they're polymer, I think. There's the whole thing polymer. I'm not even 100% sure though, but the lower feels polymer. And yeah, I do think actually the upper is polymer as well. But maybe that's a good thing, because this thing's probably just out of the box over 8 pounds. Wow. Hopefully get this out to the range tomorrow. But before I do that, I'm going to actually give you guys a quick tour as usual. Okay. Man, this thing looks just menacing. Looks like you got, I guess, I don't know. I think it's polymer. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe in the comments someone can tell me. It's got some pick rail in the 3/6/9 position, as well obviously as the top. Looks like a pretty standard barrel. Okay, let's turn it around real quick. Yeah, this has got some weight to it, which I'm thinking is probably a good thing, you know, for recoil management. So here's the other side of it. It looks like we've got a couple of QD mounts. One there, one there, and also I guess slots for a sling. Yeah, this one looks really, really good. I did buy a red dot sight for it. I swear this thing just looks so beast. Like I said, it does have the top charging handle right there. I guess AR style. So there's a bit of just a release there. Pull it back, and it does have the AR style bumper pad as well, which I absolutely love. So and you're ready to rock. The magazine, I'm gonna have to work that out because, I mean, how is that, you know? Oh, a little stiff, but hey, I'm gonna work that in. The other mag. Oh, there. Maybe I was a little too rough with it. Okay, it seems to be coming up pretty good. Not gonna lie, this looks badass. Hopefully it's not too scary. But see these sights. I think I'm gonna need that. It's gonna have a lot of kick, I would imagine. Yeah, I think so. These sights seem legit. They do have windage and elevation controls on them, and they seem pretty easy to deploy. Man, can't wait to get this puppy out. I'm here at Straight Shooters in Calgary, Alberta. We're gonna do our first firing. I guess the first shots of this BP12. I heard it takes about 200 to around 250 rounds to get it broken in, so there's a break-in period. I'm using high velocity, not really high velocity, I don't know, 1360 or 1365 feet per second. 2 3/4 inch double up buck. I'm going to shoot it for the first time, so let's see. I hope I don't get any jams or failures, but here we go. Only one way to find out, right? Charge this. Alrighty. It's not zeroed either. I've got a Romeo red dot on it, a Romeo 5 red dot on it, but it's not sighted right now, but okay. How about taking the safety out? Rookie! Woo! Man. It's got a bolt hold open, as you can see, for the last round. Man, this thing. First time shooting it, so. Did you take a look at the target? I'm a bit low. Looks like, you know, dead center, but a little bit low, but okay, that's fine. Okay, now we're gonna try some slugs. These are herders, 2 3/4 inch, 1 ounce rifled slugs. All right, let's get these suckers loaded. So if that double-aught buck had some kick on me, these are gonna have quite a lot more, I think. Let's get it. Yikes! Woo! That's gonna make for a very bad day. For paper. For only paper. Still a little low, but I mean that grouping is pretty consistent, I would say, for slugs. But man, amazing. It's got kick. Those are the first shots. BP12. No jams, no failure to feeds, no failure to extract. Very happy so far. Just kind of got to get used to the bullpup configuration. But so far, exciting.